Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest Qualcomm 12 that we installed in a 2014 Mercedes E-Class. It's a sedan with the NTG 4.5, 4.7. That's how the screen looks like. This is after installation, and it's a 12-inch screen, so you can see how the 12-inch sits in the car. A lot of customers, they ask how it looks like, so this is the way it looks. And right now we are doing Apple CarPlay. It's fully touch. Also, you can use the command knob to navigate through the screen. You can go to Google Maps, you can go to Waze, you can do Spotify, or if you have Android phone, you can use the Android phone. It retains all the factory functions. So this is the aftermarket menu. We can navigate through that. You can change the color of the theme if you want, and then you can go back to the car info. So you can see like it retains all the factory function, factory backup camera. We go to reverse. This car comes with 360 camera. It shows the 360 camera. By going to park, it goes back to the screen that you used to be. So we can stretch the screen to the full screen or half screen. So if we do, it's not really half screen, it's basically, this is the size of the factory screen, and the other side is the speedometer, and it shows the temperature too. It shows 16.5 centigrade, and also it can change to Fahrenheit too. By touching the screen, you can go to the aftermarket mode. You can play videos, or you can go to apps. If you insert SIM card inside the unit, it picks up the data from the SIM card, so you can go to Play Store, install any apps that you like, and that's the digital cluster that you can change it to 3 different colors. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.